I dare you to give me a few minutes of your time, and I'm going to show you how you can speak Pidgin English like a pro, even if you're not a Nigerian. I know 99.9% of you while scrolling on TikTok must have come across Nigerian videos and you've seen Pidgin phrases or words that you've been confused and you don't know what that word means. Or have you ever want to learn how to speak Pidgin English, even if you're not a Nigerian? Well, this is why I am here today. This video is not by mistake, because today I'm going to be teaching you how to speak Pidgin English in just a few minutes. 75 millions of people in Africa use Pidgin English every day, talking about greetings, everyday expression, slangs, etc. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeno. Welcome here. If it's your first time watching my YouTube video, then you are not in the wrong channel, because in here we learn Pidgin English, we also grow, we glow, and we evolve. Over here we don't only learn how to speak Pidgin English, but we also bring in self-growth tips to enable you to level up and become a better version of yourself. But today we're going to be learning grammatics. We're going to learn how we can speak Pidgin, how we can be able to interact with our foreign clients, with whoever and how we can be able to network and make friends. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Let us roll over to the greetings. We're going to begin with how you day. How you day. You don't say how are you doing, you say how you day. How you day is used to ask someone how they are doing. How you day, my guy? How you day, my friend? How you day, boss? Yes, you say how you day, and that person responds with I dey fine. I dey fine. Not I am fine. I dey fine, my guy. Or you can say I just day. If you're on a chill vibe, you can say I just day. So when someone asks you how you day, say I dey fine, or I just day, or I day, my guy. So these are the ways you can present them. Then if you want to ask someone what their name is, you can go ahead to say wetin be your name. Wetin be your name. Oh, how are you doing? No, sorry. You say how you day? I dey fine. Wetin be your name? Wetin be your name? My name na Zeno. Welcome to my channel. You didn't see how that went? That went smooth. Then you can ask wetin you dey do, or don't say what are you doing, say wetin you dey do. Oh, I'm washing plates, or I'm just chatting with my friends. Because most of the time we like to use that what you doing, WYD, all the time. WYD. I'm so tired of WYD. Wetin you dey do. So you can say wetin you dey do. That helps you feel among. It helps you blend into the Pidgin English culture. It helps you blend into Africa, and it helps you feel like you belong. Don't forget to say it with confidence. Guys, let's not forget we've talked about the Pidgin greetings and we've talked about everyday phrases, and I hope you are following. Now next up, we're going to be talking about expressing yourself. Expressing yourself. You know, every day we have to express ourselves in one way or the other. Maybe we're trying to interact with people or build connection. Whatever we're trying to do, there must be interaction, and when interaction comes up, you must express yourself. Now, number one Pidgin phrase we're going to be using to express ourselves is I know sabi. I know sabi means I don't know it. If it has to do with remembering something, you say I know remember. I know remember. I know sabi. So you can say I know sabi. I know sabi amo. Or I know if someone is trying to ask you, okay, what are you what happened about that particular event and this, they say I don't know. Or what's happening there? Oh, they are fighting. They say I don't know. Like when you're trying to avoid when you don't know about that particular thing, you can just say, oh, I don't know. It means I don't know. So you can say I know sabi means that you don't know. Or if you say I don't know, that's another way to say it. You can say I don't know or I know sabi. Do you see the way it's flowing? So that's how you can express yourself. Another one is you dey craze. Another one is you dey craze. You dey craze. You dey craze. You dey you dey craze. Not you dey craze. You dey craze. You dey craze can be seen as playful, like the way I'm laughing now. But in my serious phrase, you dey craze. Like that, you dey craze. It's used to like cause someone, maybe in a playful manner, though, just like teasing them. Guy, you dey craze with that one. You just laugh. Like I feel like I think you didn't go for the party. That guy, you dey craze. Why not go? just like a humorous way to like just laugh up something. But on a serious note, somebody asks you the craze, guy, you need to watch your back. It means, are you stupid? Like it could be like there are different ways to express ourselves here in Nigeria. So if you're not careful, you have to be able to read the room to know the particular context at which it's being used for, whatever it is. Like you have to understand the whole arena, the whole environment, the atmosphere, before you are able to like say, oh, or get offended or whatever. So another one we're going to be chipping in today is I dey hungry. I dey hungry. I dey hungry. It means that you are hungry. I dey just like I am over here. So like our verb is I dey hungry. I dey vex for you. It means I'm angry at you. I dey chop now. You cannot say I am chopping right now. It doesn't even go well. Don't say I am chopping. Say I dey hungry. I dey vex. Like I dey come. I dey cook. I dey bath. You don't say I am having my shower. I dey bath. It's in my shorts. I dey bath. I dey wear clothes. It means I'm wearing my dress. I dey come out now. It means that I am going out now. Someone said, I dey hungry. You don't chop. Have you eaten? We don't say eat here. We say chop. You don't chop. You don't chop. Okay, on the last one that I'm going to be dropping to on the expressing yourself is, the last one for this particular expressing yourself is sweet me. That jollof rice is sweet me. That jollof rice sweet me. Or maybe the gist or whatever. It sweet me die. If you want to add like sugar and spice in it, you can just say, it sweet me die. Like you are emphasizing on the amount of sweetness. Like it was really, really sweet. You're trying to place emphasis. So you're like, it sweet me die. That movie sweet me die. If over here in Nigeria, we don't say the movie was really interesting. We say, the movie sweet die. The movie tough. If it's an action movie, we say the movie tough. But if it's like or any other kind of movie, we say the movie is sweet. It's sweet die. The movie makes sense. So we can also say it's sweet die. It makes sense. So something that is very interesting or it's very sweet, whatever. Like the context at which to use it, the context to fit it in. Now the last and the final one is for slangs and vibes. Doesn't like to vibe. I'm going to be giving you the slangs that will help you vibe with any African, any Nigerian, any person that can speak Pidgin English. Maybe there's an honest conversation going on, and you'll be like, this life is not a fairy tale, sha. This life, it gets as it because we just now so like I'm trying to concur to what somebody says. That's really true. Now so maybe someone is dancing and I join their dance. Now so they do now so they be for here. So now so we they do for here. Now so for Nigeria. Now so they speak English for here. I don't know how to explain it like really, really best, and I hope you're able to catch it up with me. Another word we can say is sharp. I always use sharp a lot. Sharp. Like if you want something like really quick, you just say sharp. You don't say do it for me quick. We say sharp. The sharp is for emphasis. We say sharp. Don't do it sharp. It doesn't even make sense. Do I'm sharp. Do I'm sharp. That is when the melody. That is when it flows. That is when the zobo really goes into your stomach. Zobo is a drink here in Nigeria. Very soon I'm going to take my time to explain what zobo and atarodo pepper means. So do it sharp. Do that thing sharp. It means like when you're ready to take action, just do it. Do it quickly. Do it sharp. Then another one is you dey feel am. Like maybe you're just trying to tell somebody, do you get it? Do you get this thing? They're feeling someone's vibe, like the way they're vibing or whatever. You can say, they feel you. I feel you. I they feel your ginger. I they feel your swag. I they feel your dress code. I they feel your manner at which they talk to people. And also be like a compliment. I they feel you. You can say, I understand you. Like I'm getting it. Yes, that's the word. I'm getting it. Then another one we can say is ginger me. If someone is telling you to ginger that person, like maybe just say ginger me, Afa, just ginger me small, ginger me. Or maybe you want those girl, you're meeting a girl for the first time and you like that girl and you want to walk up to that girl to meet her. Maybe you just ask your friend to boost your ego, kind of like ginger me, I want to meet this babe. So it's used to hype you. Maybe you can say ginger me so that the person can hype you up. That's what that word ginger means. And then wahala, actually I think I talked about it before. Wahala means problem, like problem. So you can say no wahala. So we know what we're falling into. If you say wahala day, it means that there's problem. But if you say no wahala, it means that there's no problem. So no wahala means that there's no problem. But if you say wahala day, it means that there is serious problem, that you should either pick up your slippers and run sharp. Pick up your slippers and run sharp. Or you can sit and wait. Yeah, so I'm gonna be wrapping this up right now. Guys, I want you to comment the particular pidgin phrase that you've seen people use before, or you've actually used it yourself, or maybe you have come across it anywhere before. Drop in the comments. Then if you haven't come across any of it before, comment the favorite one. Comment the one that you love the most, that you'd like to use in the conversation next time, and I'll be in the comments. So now, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Remember, no wahala.